Alright, it's cruise day! Woohoo! I am waiting for my driver to come pick me up, and then we'll be on our way to Terminal C, getting on the MSC Meraviglia. MSC Meraviglia. After almost 4 hours, I made it through Embarkation. I am on the ship. That was like way too long. I understand this is the first one, so I'm trying to be very kind about it. But I'm exhausted and I'm hungry. All right, my cabin steward just came. So nice. Had a nice conversation with him. So let me show you this. Okay, so I've already unpacked, so here is the lovely bathroom.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri just thinks she's involved with everything I do. And this kind of reminds me,
I'm not sure I understand.
Stop, Siri, stop. I think this reminds me of a lot of the Epic. I don't know why, because I don't know. It just seems like, anyway, it's very nice. I like the way it is. Very nice. I kept asking about the air, but he says it's on. So anyway, there's that. I'm going to show you my name here. And then here I am. Hi. I'm still in these clothes. And then I got my hat hanging up over there. I just left it there. It should be probably over there on those hooks. And then I just put all my stuff in. I didn't put anything in the safe yet. I put some stuff in the drawers. I just put my shoes. What I'm thinking is I need to hang up my dress because I haven't done that. And I only have one dress. So anyway, there's that. And then I think I'm going to move this. And then this is it's a bed. It's a bed, people. And then, like I said, it looks like it could be, like you could fold that out and have a couple more people in here. So, nice. I like the way it looks. I like the colors. I'm okay with the green. I like it. And I like the, you know, just very clean lines. And then I have, oh, let me show you, it's over here. So there's a mini bar in here. I did ask him about that because I just wanted to empty it and put, so I could put cold drinks, but he said no. I guess I could just pay for some. And then I've got all my stuff here, editing, all that good stuff, which I've actually already done. I did at the hotel before I left, so I'm very proud of myself. I did bring my water bottle. I am very thirsty. I need to drink something. Got my mask. They did give me another mask over there. I do have my 2 tables on the side here. And then this is actually what I use to record with my iPad, and it just kind of bends and moves around and stuff. So I just kind of pushed it back there. I'm going to see if I'm able to record and film here, but I don't know if the background will look pretty. But it looks like the table moves, so I just moved the table. Here's my balcony, and I am on, I don't know what side I'm on, to be honest. My husband would know because he used to work at a place for boats. All right, hold on. I'm like a little... And this is my balcony. It's just a couple little chairs and a table, very similar to what most of them have. And then it looks like the ones below are a little deeper. I currently do not have a deeper one. And then this is one of those where it goes out and in. I'll show you. out and in and out and in, and when you're walking. So there is Miami, and we are supposed to be leaving at 7 o'clock, but we shall see. Whew. So I'm really hungry. I'm just gonna go down to the buffet. First of all, though, I want to take my documents out. So I got internet, and my problem is I just realized I just shoved you in my face, is that I don't have, oh my gosh, now I can't even talk. Problem is that you need your booking number in order to log in. And so I need to get that out from my suitcase, which I already shoved underneath the bed. And so let me get my dress out. Got my cute little dress in here. Where's it at? Right here. I'm going to hang my dress up, and I'm going to do the app so I can get my internet going, or at least be logged into the MSC app, and then see how it goes from there. So that's all I'm going to do. That's it. And go eat. So I was given 2 bracelets. One to show that I'm vaccinated, and then the other one is for contact tracing. So I guess more information will be coming. So I've had a wonderful evening. I actually was just going to go out and put my credit card on my Sail and Slang card, but I didn't make it there. I'll do it first thing in the morning. You have 24 hours to do it. If I didn't say that before, I'm saying it now. I decided I worked up a little bit of an appetite because I really didn't eat that much today. And so after I ended up at the aft deck, I had the best time with that, whatever you call it, the silent disco. It was so much fun. I didn't really, I don't jump in to dance with other people. My husband's not here. It's just not appropriate. But I had a good time dancing by myself. It was fun. And so I was out there for about an hour. So I almost did. It's actually ending pretty soon right now. It's like midnight. So I decided worked up a little bit of time I was going to eat. And then I went down to get some food, and they had like pizza and sandwiches and fruit and cookies. And so I don't really eat pizza. It's not my cup of tea. So I asked him, and he said, I have tuna sandwich. I said, oh, tuna sandwich sounds good. Check out the sandwich. I'm kind of wondering where the tuna's at in all that. Because that's not a full tuna sandwich. So it's just bread with like nothing. So I'm kind of, and I got a little mayonnaise because I don't really like, I wasn't sure if it was dry. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm just gonna put everything on one side and just eat half of it and leave half the bread. So that's not a sandwich, okay? Then I got some fruit. Love fruit. I've been eating a lot of fruit. And then they gave me cookies. I think they gave me a little too many cookies, but got the cookies. I was looking for some ice cream. They didn't have it open or something. Anyway, there's a gelato stand and it's a fee based. You got to pay for it. And it's too late to come up with those fancy words. It's got to pay for it, people. So my eyes are still. Hey, my eyes don't look as bloodshot as earlier. Maybe that look. I was out on the aft deck. That's where it was. It was so much fun. I loved hearing the music. I had 70s, 80s, and they had some Spanish music. Oh, it was just fantastic. So I just salsa'd and discoed and just did everything I could. It was so much fun. So anyway, I am really beat. I am going to take a quick shower and then I am going to relax and eat my half a tuna sandwich and my fruit. And I think that's going to be it for the night. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.